Here we come to the elevator at Macy's here at Seminole Towne Center in Sanford, Florida. Here's fitting rooms and a water fountain. Here's a directory, and this is a Schindler MT. Nice looking doors. Here's the lantern. Let's go up to 2. Door close button works, I like that. Indicator, pretty similar to the big one at the Macy store at the Florida Mall. Here's a certificate of operation, phone, alarm. Here at 2, almost to the one in JCPenney too. Capacity 4,000 pounds. Let's take a look back into the store. The east entrance is there. No elevator sign. Let's go back down. Nice looking doors with dolphins. Let's go down to G. Let's go back down to G. Door close button does not work on chillers as always. TJS 468 has filmed this elevator and the elevator at Dillard's. So these videos are going to be for you. And the one in the food court too. Here at G. Let's send this elevator back up to 2. Nice charm. Directory. There it goes, and that's it.